Hi, welcome to my channel Industry 4.0. Today, in this video, I shall teach you about Python range function. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's start the video. Defining functions in Python. We begin a function definition with the def keyword, followed by the name we might wish to offer our function. We have the parameters after the name, also called arguments, for the function enclosed in parentheses. A function may have no parameters, or it can have multiple parameters. Parameters permit us to call a function and pass it data, with the data being available inside the function as variables with the same name because of the parameters. In the end, we put a colon at the highest of the road. The function body starts after the colon. It's important to note that in Python the function body is delimited by indentation. This advised that every one code indented to the right following a function definition may be a component of the function body. The initial line that's not indented is the boundary of the function body. It's up to you as many spaces you use when indenting, just in form be consistent. Hence if we decide to indent with 4 spaces, you'd wish to use 4 spaces everywhere in our code. A variety function is often employed by passing it one parameter, and it generated a sequence of numbers from 0 to at least 1 but we specified. But the range function can do far more than that. We would say in 2 parameters, the primary specifying our start line, the second specifying the top point. Remember that the sequence generated won't contain the last element, it'll stop one before the parameter specified. Range function. The range function can take a third parameter too. This third parameter allows you to alter the dimensions of every step. Perhaps then creating a sequence of numbers increment by 1. We'll create a sequence of numbers that are increment by 5. One parameter would generate a sequence, 1 by 1, from 0 to at least 1 but the parameter. 2 parameters will generate a sequence, 1 by 1, from the primary parameter to at least 1 but the second parameter. 3 parameters would create a sequence starting with the primary parameter and stopping before the second parameter, but this point increases each step by the third parameter. Returning values using functions. We sometimes do not need a function to easily run and finish. We might want a function to control data we passed it then return the result to us. This is mostly where the concept of return values comes in handy. We use the return keyword during a function, which tells the function to pass data back. Once we call the function, we will store the returned value during a variable. Return values permit our functions to be more flexible and powerful, in order that they are often reused and called multiple times. The function may even return multiple values. Just do not forget to store all returned values in variables. We'll even have a function return nothing, during which case the function simply exits. For more details visit https://www.technologiesinindustry4.com/2020/10/ethereum-20.html